Tonight on Asikhulume noThokozani Dladla, lapho sizobe sisiza khona uAnonymous onenkinga, sizobe sifunda incwadi efundeka ngale ndlela. I am a 25-year-old female. I got a job as a candidate attorney with an established attorney at Centurion, January this year. There is just 5 of us in the office. My boss first asked me to do homework for his daughter. As time went on, he asked me to fetch his daughter at school. I do not have a problem with that since I claim money for petrol I've used. He buys me lunch sometimes and gives me 700 rands Edgar's vouchers for purchasing formal clothes. I don't have, any problem again with that because I still get my salary every month as it is on my contract. He compliments me every morning in front of everyone and say things like, "You are so sexy, you look hot," etc., etc. Those kinds of compliment. At first, I was uneasy uma angibonga ngale ndlela or angibongisa ukuthi ngigcoke kahle ngaleyo ndlela. But as time went by, I do not have a problem anymore. I'm used to him. I never read too much into those compliments until last week when he said, "It's too cold. Don't you want to come with me after work for us to sweat it off?" I didn't know how to respond. And then same week on Friday, he asked me to come with him to his house after work. His wife is not around. I just laughed. I said, "You are so funny," and I didn't know what to say. I like him as a person, not as a boyfriend or anything more than my boss. I don't want to resign again at my work since it took me 2 years to get this candidate attorney job. I am feeling uneasy and uncomfortable around him now, and I fear he may take this badly and I may lose my job. Please advise me what to do in this situation. From Anonymous. Namuhla kusukela ngo-6 kuya ngo-8 ebusuku, 10 June 2024. Last week sikhulume nomunye Anonymous ebesimsiza sikhuluma naye efonini singafundi incwadi but nje sizwa ngayo inkinga yakhe, and this is how it went.
Uthi avele abiyele emuva ekhaya, angabuya ngala nangabe kuthiwa umphani uyagula o uyadzingeka, but angahlali mani lapha abe comfortable la. Amana ngeva ukuthi is booty working noma
angisasebenzi.
yes. Ngak-advise mne bhuti wami ukuthi ubuyele ekhaya, try find something lokungaletha imali la khaya because uyabona la akufuna uzube ngumthwalo, and I heard itolo ukuthi nihambe naze nafika to the point la senicale kubekana sandla khona elemvilikhuni mase ifike lapho sekutoxic nje, sekutoxic ngendlela yokuthi enenvotsa ayicoli man, noma bangazama man ukuthi bakunike insabi inkonzo ingene kuculwe kube mnanzi, but as a man you will never look at this woman the same way. Ngingathi mine, like I said, I'd advise Booty to leave.
Sanibona njani?
Siyaphila njalo.
Yaphela.
Ngizocela ukukhuluma nobafu la.
Ukulalela.
Kuzoba buhlungu manje kuzoba iqiniso lokho. Uyabona bhuti wami umuntu wesilisa, umuntu akhumeke walala noma ngabe kuthiwa umthanda kanjani, into yokuqala lizokwehla lolo thando lolo. Noma ungamxolela, so hayi ukuthi uzobumxolele, uzobundlulisile bathi ungaxolile. Ngaso sonke isikhathi mangabulala naye uzokucabanga lokho ukuthi futhi nakulo muntu lo mayekhala ukhala kanje. Hayi bhuti wami, into engakutshela yona mina, ngicela ukuthi uvele unake ingane yakho umyeke, cause ngeke umuntu ekwazi ukulala nomunye umuntu ngaphandle kodwa wena ubaba wengane yakhe ekuncintshe isex. Kwenziwa yini lokho? Uyabona bhuti wami, if ukuthi mhlawumbe ayikho into osayikhiphile nengane nje naye ayimyeke. Uyabona ngizokwenza le example ngathi
Angazi noma umzwile